How to push a change that we've committed up to GitHub from the terminal. Click on the terminal. First, let's do git status. You can see it says my branch is ahead of origin main by 1 commit. What that means is my local repository has 1 commit, 1 change that is not on origin main. Origin is the remote repository, in this case GitHub. Main means the branch. And then it nicely tells me how to push the change. So just say git push. And I did it. And if I say git status, it now says branch is up to date with origin. So it's not behind or ahead of the remote repository. Now, one thing to be aware of here is I have, in a previous video, you'll see that I already authenticated so that I can push to GitHub. Well, that means that I stored my username and a personal access token so I can interact with my repositories. If you hadn't done that, it wouldn't have allowed me to push. If I hadn't stored my credentials, it would have asked me for my username and password. It's a bit of a hassle if you're constantly being asked, so you do want to store them. Another thing that can happen is if I happen to have cloned a repository that I didn't have permission to push to, say just some other random persons, I wouldn't be able to push to it.